Plants make starch on page 109. In this lesson, we are going to learn how plants make starch. One of the most important elements that a human being needs is carbohydrates. Carbohydrates have different forms and starch is one form of it. This starch is found in plants. There are many plants that we eat and contains starch. For example, rice, potatoes, wheat, bread, maize or corn, in addition to the banana. All the foods shown here are products of plants, and they mainly contain starch. Some of them, such as potatoes, rice, and bread, form the staple diet of humans. They all contain starch, which is the main storage carbohydrate made by plants. The starch is stored specifically in the cells of the plants. As we have said previously, carbohydrates have different forms, such as starch, cellulose, sucrose, fructose, and glucose, where starch is the only form that is stored in the plant's cells. It's the main element needed by men in order to grow and store energy. So starch is a good way of storing carbohydrates. That means it's the only form of carbohydrates that is stored in the plant's cells, as we said before. Now the question is why it is stored in the plant cells? And the answer is because it is not soluble, which means that it does not dissolve in water. It's compact and can be broken down easily. It's made up of many molecules of glucose. We call them polysaccharides. These molecules of glucose form up the starch. They are also compact and they can be broken down easily to other forms of carbohydrates. So, in a conclusion, starch is an essential element a man needs in his food diet, and it's mainly found in plants.